We thank you, Allah. Alhamdulillah. The world, the sun, the moon, the stars. Come let us learn what they are. The world, the sun, the moon, the stars. Come let us learn what they are. We thank you, Allah. We thank you, Allah.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya'i wal Mursaleen. Amma ba'd. Fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulullah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habibullah. Assalatu wassalamu alayka ya Nabiyullah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Nurullah. Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? I hope you're doing great by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So friends, welcome to the 13th episode of my program, The World of Kids Season 2. I hope you liked and learned a lot from all my previous episodes, and I hope you will like this one too. So kids, without any ado, let's start with the answers of the questions I asked in the previous episode. Question number 1. What are the khari harkat? Khada zabar, khadi zer and ulta pesh are called khari harkat. Question number 2. How many khari harkat are there? The answer is there are a total of 3 khari harkat. Question number 3. How long do you have to stretch a khari harkat? The answer is that you have to stretch a khari harkat for at least 1 alif long. Question number 4. What is the meaning of Ismail? The answer is the meaning of Ismail is, O Almighty, listen to me. Question number 5. Who built the Holy Kaaba? The answer is that the Holy Kaaba was built by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. So kids, I hope you got all the answers right, and if you concentrated throughout the whole previous episode, these answers would be really easy for you. So kids, now without any ado, let's start with the first segment of our program, Madani Qaida.
We thank you, Allah. We thank you, Allah.
So kids, today we are going to start with lesson number 9, the letters of Leen. So open up page number 16 of your Madani Qaida and let's start. There are 2 letters of Leen, Ya and Waw. When there is a zabar before waw sakina, it becomes waw leen. And when there is a zabar before ya sakina, then it becomes a ya leen. Pronounce the letters of leen gently in Arabic accent without any stretching or sudden pauses. So kids, open up page number 17 and let's start reading the letters of leen to improve our pronunciation of them.
Ba, waw, zabar, baw, ba, ya, zabar, bay, baw, bay, ta, waw, zabar, taw, ta, ya, zabar, tay, taw, tay, ta, waw, zabar, taw, ta, ya, zabar, tay, taw, tay, jim, waw, zabar, jaw, jim, ya, zabar, jay, jaw, jay, ha, waw, zabar, haw, ha, ya, zabar, hay, haw, hay, ha, waw, zabar, haw, ha, ya, zabar, hay, haw, hay, dal, waw, zabar, daw, dal, ya, zabar, day, daw, day, dal, waw, zabar, daw, dal, ya, zabar, day, daw, day, ra, waw, zabar, raw, ra, ya, zabar, ray, raw, ray, za, waw, zabar, zaw, za, ya, zabar, zay, zaw, zay, sin, waw, واو زبر سو سين يا زبر سي سو سي شين واو زبر شو شين يا زبر شي شو شي صاد واو زبر صو صاد يا زبر صي صو صي ضاد واو زبر ضو ضاد يا زبر ضي ضو ضي طا واو زبر طو طا يا زبر طي طو طي را واو زبر رو را يا زبر راي رو راي عين واو زبر عو عين يا زبر عي عو عي غين واو زبر غو غين يا زبر غي غو غي فا واو زبر فو فا يا زبر في فو في قاف واو زبر قو قاف يا زبر قي قو قي كاف واو زبر كو كاف يا زبر كي كو كي لام واو زبر لو لام يا زبر لي لو لي ميم واو زبر مو ميم يا زبر مي مو مي نون واو زبر نو نون يا زبر ني نو ني واو واو زبر واو واو يا زبر وي واو وي ها واو زبر هاو ها يا زبر هاي هاو هاي همزة واو زبر أو همزة يا زبر أي أو أي يا واو زبر يو يا زبر ياي يو yay.
So kids, I hope you know how to pronounce the letters of lean. And now without any ado, let's start with the second segment of our program, Waqia.
We thank you, Allah. We thank you, Allah.
So the first Waqia for today is red wheat came out of sacks of sand. Once Sayyiduna Ibrahim alayhi salam could not find any grain. On the way, he alayhi salam found red sand and filled his sacks with it. After he alayhi salam reached home, his family members asked, "What is it?" He alayhi salam replied, "It is red wheat." As the sacks were opened, they really contained red wheat. When this wheat was sowed, its crops were full of wheat from roots to ear. This is a mu'ajiza, meaning prophetic miracle, of Sayyiduna Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam. Sayyiduna Ibrahim alayhi salam is the initiator of many things. He alayhi salam was the first in the world whose hair turned white. The first to apply henna and katam as dye to white hair was Sayyiduna Ibrahim alayhi salam. Katam is a type of dye made from indigofera plants. He alayhi salam was the first to wear sewn pajamas. He alayhi salam was the first to recite sermon at the minbar. He alayhi salam was the first to establish the tradition of hospitality. He alayhi salam was the first to embrace people at the time of meeting them.
We thank you, Allah. We thank you, Allah.
So kids, today I met up with a friend and I saw his teeth, and he had a lot of gaps and cavities in his teeth. So I thought, why not tell you guys from how to prevent having cavities and gaps in your teeth. Most children are fond of eating toffees, candies, chocolates, snow cones, and other colorful sweet things. But they are probably unaware of these things can harm their teeth, throat, chest, stomach, and intestines, etc. Because they are unhealthy, presented here are some slightly amended medical researches derived from websites about toffees, etc. with the intention of benefiting Muslims. Human teeth naturally contain a teeth-protecting hard white outer layer called enamel. Eating unhealthy things attracts bacteria, meaning germs, in the mouth which harms this layer, causing the teeth to start breaking. Cause of mouth blisters and a sore throat. After eating toffees, etc., children often do not clean their teeth. As a result of it, a fine coating of sugar formed over the teeth, producing germs and teeth worms, besides causing mouth blisters and throat infections. The toffees and sweet and sour candies are often unhealthy and unhygienic. According to a news report, candies and toffees prepared from unhealthy raw material in small-scale factories are having detrimental effects on the health of children. These home-based factories use glucose, saccharin, and very poor quality material for making candies and toffees, which are also supplied in villages, increasing dental diseases among children of villages to alarming extent. Cake, biscuits, ice cream, etc. cause diabetes. The chemical used as a sweetener in biscuits, ice creams, and soft drinks are a cause of diabetes through the world. According to the research, the chemical used by food products manufacturing companies to sweeten their products causes diabetes, a disease in which there is too much sugar in the urine. In the research, the chemical analysis of biscuits, cakes, juices from 42 different countries was carried out. The chemical element high fructose, meaning a type of sugar, increases the risk of diabetes. According to the research, a percentage of the disease is the countries where bakery items are used in excess as 8% high. So kids, I know that sweets, biscuits, cakes, and ice creams are really delicious to eat, but eating a lot of them is really bad for you and really bad for your teeth. So kids, without any ado, let's head over to the next segment of our program, Hadith.
Thank you, Allah. We thank you, Allah.
So kids, our today's hadith is, whoever travels in the search of knowledge is in the path of Allah until he returns. Subhanallah, sallu ala al-habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. So kids, today's sunnat is taking care of a person who is sick, as our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam used to take care of anyone who is sick around him. So we should also learn from this sunnat and take care of whoever we know is sick and we can reach there to help them out. Now, without any ado, let's start with the final segment of our program, question and answer.
We thank you, Allah. We thank you, Allah.
So question number 1, how many letters of Leen are there? Question number 2, what are the letters of Leen? Question number 3, true or false? You have to stretch out the letters of Leen. Question number 4, who was the first man to get white hair? Question number 5, who was the person in the whole world who wore the first sewn pajama? So kids, I hope you liked today's episode and I hope you learned a lot from it, and I hope these questions would be really easy for you, and if you concentrated throughout this whole episode, these questions would be really easy for you and the answers would be really easy to give. So allow me to leave. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
We thank you, Allah. Alhamdulillah. The sun, the moon, the stars. Come let us learn what they are. The world, the sun, the moon, the stars. Come let us learn what they are. We